Hey, welcome back, everybody. 12:26 on your Tuesday afternoon, and you're taking a live look from Sky 5 in Weslaco. Sunny skies right now, and sunny skies throughout all of the valley. But let's look at the bigger picture and some patchy clouds in the panhandle of Texas. But then, other than that, skies are as blue as they can be throughout the rest of the state. Now, here's why. High pressure still dominating the state of Texas, still dominating in the southern part in the Louisiana, Mississippi area. Now, this high and low pressure going to kind of play tag. As the high pressure starts to weaken, that low pressure is actually going to start to strengthen, and it's not going to let that high pressure move. So these fronts, well, they're not going to get to us because that high pressure, that's not moving for quite some time. And as that high pressure doesn't move, we have sunny skies and we're going to heat up. We're going to heat up fast. This is where we stand right now. Most of the valley is in the upper 80s. It's a little bit cooler in Weslaco at around 84, but 85 and 86 seem to be the magic numbers for this time of the afternoon. Dew points sitting in the upper 50s, lower 60s. We're going to put about 55 on the muggy meter because that's what we're going to drop down to as far as dew points are concerned today. We're going to drop down to around 55, so we're in that comfortable zone, and we'll be in that comfortable zone into tonight, but don't get used to it because those dew points are going to start to ramp up. Now, 89 is the average high for this time of year, so we're starting to warm up just a little bit, and we're going to go 91, 89, and 90 for Thursday, so just a little bit warmer. And don't be fooled by that 89 because as that humidity starts to ramp up, then those temperatures aren't going to feel like they're in the upper 80s, lower 90s. Winds, not too strong right now. All your winds are out of the south or southeast at around 14 miles per hour, but as that high pressure starts to move off to the east, those wind speeds will start to ramp up. On the water, your winds are out of the south-southeast at around 15 to 20 knots. Baywater's at a moderate chop. Your next tide, well, it's a high tide right now, and the seas are at 1 to 2 feet. So today, high of around 91, much of the same from yesterday. Sunny skies, comfortable humidity, so we definitely lucked out in that category yet again. Winds out of the southeast at around 15 miles per hour. Tonight, cooling down to around 68. Don't get used to it, though, because this is the last night for a while that we cool down to the 60s because of those clear skies. And those clear skies will only be clear early on and then partly cloudy later. Winds are going to be out of the south-southeast at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And that south-southeasterly wind, well, it's going to start to bring that moisture back into the air, and that means that humidity is starting to climb. And this is how you can tell that we're going to gradually increase each day. Your overnight lows, an overnight low of around 68 and an overnight low of around 69. Again, don't be fooled by that 89, 90. It looks like we're going to cool down, but we're actually not cooling down. Once that humidity gets in, then we have a heat index, and it's not going to feel like 89 and 90. It's actually going to feel like in the low 90s and in the mid to upper 90s. Well, if you don't like temperatures in the 90s, you're not going to like the rest of the week. Friday, 91, 92, 93, and 93 for 92 and 93 for Saturday and Sunday. So it's going to be a hot Mother's Day. It's going to be a humid Mother's Day, and that's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.